everyone, my name is Mehnaz and my today's story. Once upon a time there was a small village near the river. Everyone lived happily and offered regular prayers at the village temple. Once during the monsoon season it rained heavily and the river started overflowing. The flood water entered the village and the people started to evacuate their homes to a safer place. One man immediately ran to the temple and entered the priest's room and told him that the flood water has entered their homes and it also started entering the temple. And in no time the village would sink under the water. So we need to leave the place, and he also requested the priest to accompany them. But the priest told the man that I am not atheist like you all. I have full faith in God. I trust that God will come to save me. So I am not going to leave the temple. You may go. So the man left. Soon the water level started rising and reached the waist level. The priest climbed onto the desk. After few minutes, a man with a boat came to the temple and told the priest that I was told by the people of the village that you are still inside the temple. So I have come to rescue you. Please climb into the boat so that I can take you to a safer place. But the priest refused, giving the same reason. So the boatman left as he has to save the other people. The water level kept rising and reached the ceiling. So the priest climbed onto the top of the temple and started praying to God to save him. Soon a helicopter came and dropped a rope ladder and asked the priest to climb the rope ladder and enter inside the helicopter so that they can take him to the safer place. But the priest refused them, giving the same reason that he has full faith in God and he will not leave the temple. So the helicopter left in search of other people. At last, when the temple nearly submerged under the water, the priest kept his head up and started complaining, "Oh Lord, I worshipped you for my whole life and kept faith in you, but why didn't you come and save me?" Suddenly the God appeared with a smile and said, "Oh madman, I came to save you thrice, but you did not recognize me. I came running to the temple. I came with a boat and I came with a helicopter. What is my fault when you did not recognize me?" Then the priest realized his mistake and asked for forgiveness. Then the priest was given another chance to go to a safer place. So, do you believe in God? Do you recognize God? Do you recognize the signs sent to you by Him? God sends you opportunities all the time. They come unknowingly, but sometimes we fail to grab the opportunities that life or God throws at us. If you see an opportunity, don't think twice. Go and grab your chance. Go and grab that sign of life. If you don't, there will always be another opportunity, but why waste time? So friends, if you like my story, click the like button, share to your friends and subscribe my channel for the new updates of my next videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.